Let's make the Honeysuckler from Kraken Rum. Hi, I'm Jer from Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make something called the Honeysuckler from Kraken Rum. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I hope you learn to appreciate the Kraken through this video. I'm not a professional bartender. I just like making cocktails at home. In particular, I like making rum-based cocktails at home. And there's at one point in my life where I was looking through all the spiced rums because I wanted to make the best spiced rum Cuban Manhattan. This is not that recipe. However, during that exploration, I did come across the Kraken's black spiced rum, and I actually really like it. I give my friend Gnome over at Gnome's Tavern a hard time because he's a little bit intimidated by the Kraken, 94 proof. There's no reason to be afraid, Gnome. I'm going to make you like it yet. In any case, I'm making this video in his honor. The Honeysuckler is what I would call a variant of the Honey Bee. There's honey syrup, there's lemon juice, and there's rum. Even though the name is more closely associated with the honeysuckle daiquiri, to me that has lime juice, not lemon juice. Honey Bee clearly has lemon juice, so this is a variant of the Honey Bee. Maybe the Kraken Honey Bee, but it's called the Honeysuckler. A note on the rum. If you're going to make the Honeysuckler, which is an official recipe from the Kraken Rum website, you're going to have to use the Kraken Black Spiced Rum. Can you make it with other rums? Sure, but then it's no longer the Honeysuckler. A note on the recipe. The recipe online lists parts instead of ounces or milliliters. I don't know how big a part is. I'm going to assume 1 ounce. Because if it's 2-part Kraken rum and it's 94 proof and 1 part is a liter, that's going to be a lot of rum. But an ounce kind of makes sense. So that's what I'm going with. To make this drink then, I'm going to start with the rum. 2 ounces of the Kraken Black Spiced Rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. I guess I need another bottle. 1 ounce of lemon juice. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. And 3/4 ounces of honey syrup. And I do make my own honey syrups at home. Recipes here on the channel. I'll link it down below if you want to check it out. 3/4 ounce is 3/4 of an ounce is 22.5 milliliters. And this is a 1-to-1 syrup. Finally, 3 sage leaves. Add my ice and give it a shake. The recipe does specify double straining that, so that's what I'm going to do. And to get the sage leaf out, it makes sense to double strain because there's little sage leaf bits floating around. And garnish. The garnish is another sage leaf. And sage leaves this time of year are pretty tough. It's a little floppy, so I'm just going to float it across the top. And there you have it, the Honeysuckler from Kraken Rum. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day. Are you afraid of the Kraken Black Spiced Rum? Let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to know your experience with it. Note that there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I do have t-shirts available. If you want one, contact me through any of the social media links down below and we'll make sure you get one. And while you're doing that, you might as well follow me on those social media links. And if you've made it this far, give me a like for the Kraken, give me a subscribe for the Kraken, and we'll see you next time. Cheers. Are you afraid of the Kraken Black Spiced Rum? Let me know in the comments down below because I want to know who can hang out with me when I go drinking hard. Let me know in the comments down below because I want to know who can go 1-for-1 shots with me with this stuff. Let me know in the comments down below because I want to know who I can do shots with.